Position your face in the frame. Wink. Raise your head slowly. Raise your head slowly. Raise your head slowly. Lower your head down slowly. Lower your head down slowly. Lower your head down slowly.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Digital Assets. In our 3 previous videos, we've talked about how to set up your asset password, how to add MetaMask, how to add core mainnet into MetaMask, and what to know and what to do before linking your MetaMask into Satoshi. So if you have done all of that, then I congratulate you. The last step you will do now is make sure you link your core wallets. Make sure you link your MetaMask address into core so that you'll be able to be among the first batch to receive your core on February 6th. So they will do, as you can see here, if I click on this core withdrawal notice, if you read this, core withdrawal function is now open. You can claim your token by linking wallet address. App will process the first batch of users with linked addresses on UTC February 6, 2023. Please claim your tokens as soon as possible before this timeline to avoid any delays. So if you want to link your core, just go to me, then click on your assets, click on core, then you will see something like this, link wallet address. So just click on link wallet address. So if you have already linked it, so you will see the link here. But if you are not linked it, then go to your MetaMask. Go to your MetaMask. So you'll be using, it is only MetaMask that you'll be using. Don't let anyone deceive you that you can also use other exchange. Don't use any other exchange. Only MetaMask is available for core for now. So don't use other exchange rather than MetaMask. So core is only available in MetaMask. Don't let anyone deceive you. Now, once you are in MetaMask, just click on this wallet on top here, because you must switch to, if you see here, you see that this wallet address ends with EDD5. If I click on this and switch to other network, let's assume like Ethereum. So you also see that you also notice that the wallet address is still the same thing, which EDD5. So that's how cryptocurrency work. So the cryptocurrency use only one wallet address for all their coin. But the only thing is that you have to be switched. Let's assume you want to receive Ethereum. Make sure that you switch to Ethereum. But if you want to use core, switch to core blockchain. So that, and blah blah blah. So if you want to link your Satoshi app here, if you want to link it, make sure that you switch to core mainnet by clicking on this wallet here, then choose core blockchain, then tap on this wallet address here, tap it. Once you tap it, it will be copied automatically to your clipboard. Then go back to your Satoshi app, paste it here. Once you paste it, then the asset password that you set. So if you have not watched the video, you can kindly watch it. So you can watch it. I've also did tutorial on that. So type your asset password and then click on link wallet address. Click on it. Once you click on that, then they will send you an email. So just do what? Just go to the mail, copy the code that they sent you, then paste it. Once you paste it, then continue to do click on I'm not a robot. Once you click on I'm not a robot, they will ask you to do your face verification and make sure that your face looks so well. So once you do that, and make sure that you follow all the procedure that the robots will tell you. So you will blink, you will move your head slowly up and down and everything like that. So once you do that and it's set successfully, then you can click on click on call link wallet address again, then you should be automatically do what? It will successfully link to your wallet address. So you don't have to do anything like that. The only thing you have to do is that you just have to wait till February 6. As you can see, warning, system only will send data to call down twice. The first processing time is UTC 2023 February 6 8, and the second processing time is UTC 2023 May 15 8. So make sure that you do accordingly as I said for you, so don't do any mistake. So that's how to link your wallet address, how to link your MetaMask wallet address into your Satoshi, so that you'll be able to receive your call that you mine. So that's it for now. If this video helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe. If you have already subscribed, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first among people that receive my notification once I drop another video. See you in the next one. Protect your assets. Bye for now.